Built with cutting-edge technology and with the utmost of care, Cosmo brings you beautiful premium range hoods at an affordable price. Expect cooking and cleaning experiences that make life easier, brighten up your kitchen, and protect your health. Efficient airflow. 380 CFM removes smells and odors with ease for a clean kitchen. Only 65 decibels max noise level. Ducted range hood vents outside and away from your home. Converts to ductless range hood with carbon filter kit. Purchase part-CFK1TM, sold separately. Easy to clean filters. Cosmo ARC-FLOW Permanent Filters are dishwasher safe and extremely durable. No need to replace these range hood filters, simply drop in the dishwasher for easy maintenance and cost savings. Energy-efficient lights. The energy-efficient, 2-watt LEDs are long-lasting and provide the range hood with bright, high-lumen lighting for better visibility at night. 3YEAR Limited Parts. Our customer support team is based proudly in the USA. Range hood product dimensions. 30 in, W, by 19.75 in, D, X adjustable 25.6 and 39.4 in, H. Electrical. 120 volts, 60 Hz, 3-prong plug. Duct size, 6 in. Top reviews from the United States. Works and looks great. We remodeled our kitchen. I didn't want to spend $500 plus on a vent hood. After doing a lot of research, I came across this model. I was skeptical about it at first as it was ventless and I'm not sold on the technology. However, I've owned it a year now and this hood is amazing. I've received numerous compliments on this hood, someone even thought it was $1,000 plus. The carbon filters work great, I have no replaced them yet and they still work. The hood catches grease nicely and does filter the air when there is smoke. On full power it can be a little loud but it does suck up a lot of air. On low power it's quiet, and you can use that when cooking most foods. Overall I'd buy this again.